In this video, I'll show you the $1 Arduino fully compatible clone board. Uh, this board is 99% compatible with the original Arduino board. Mostly, this is actually same as this, almost pin-wise everything. And one difference is that this has no EEPROM. So if you are looking for EEPROM support, better we go for that. Otherwise, it is as equal as that, and it is a lot cheaper than original Arduino board. You can see that the power supply is here, the regulator is here, and you have this USB watt converter. Both are all in the same side. You have a simple plain PCB design board. Here is already soldered board. So I will do one experiment here. So experiment to show how both the boards performs. First, let me generate a pattern here. Now let's upload the code. Okay, it's done. Okay, this is a ground pin. Okay. So here you can see that D2 to D9 LEDs are connected. In all these pins, the LEDs are connected. Okay. Okay. Now let's program our clone board. Now I am uploading the same code. Before that, you make sure that you select the port, and board is same Nano, Arduino Nano, and upload. Same code, no change. Yeah. See that there is a delay. This is because this chip operates at 32 megahertz. So here is a small routine. Here is a small routine to reduce the clock. Here, enable this first line and enable this, and upload. Yeah, done. Now you can see that back to the same speed.